What's up, G's? So, you want to know how to make a girl want you instantly using classic principles? Let's dive right in. First off, confidence is key. Think James Bond, calm, collected, and sure of himself. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with conviction. Trust me, this works wonders. Next up, be a gentleman. This might sound old school, but chivalry isn't dead. Hold the door open, offer your jacket if she's cold. Small gestures make a big impact. It shows you respect and care about her, which is incredibly attractive. Number 3, listen more than you talk. Seriously, guys, listening shows you value her thoughts and opinions. Ask her questions and genuinely engage in the conversation. It's a simple way to build a powerful connection. Now let's talk about humor. A good sense of humor is like a magnet. Don't force it, but be lighthearted and fun. Laughter breaks the ice and makes her feel comfortable around you. Also, be passionate about something. Whether it's your job, a hobby, or a cause you care about, passion is infectious. Talk about it with enthusiasm. It shows you have depth and ambition, which is super attractive. Now, onto body language. Your body speaks volumes even when you're silent. Open up your posture, avoid crossing your arms, and lean in slightly when she's talking. This signals that you're interested and engaged. Remember to be yourself. Authenticity is crucial. Don't pretend to be someone you're not just to impress her. Women can sense insincerity from a mile away. Lastly, be respectful. Respect her boundaries and be considerate. It's the foundation of any meaningful relationship. So there you have it, guys. Confidence, chivalry, listening, humor, passion, body language, authenticity, and respect. Master these old school principles and she will be all over you. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend, and follow for more. Cheers!